Hey YouTubers, today I just finished up my train table in the basement. It is a 7 by 12 train table and consists of 3 lines, an outer line, middle, and inner line. And it's all powered up with a ZW 275 watt transformer. This one I rebuilt here for my friend, so I'm trying it out so he could get it back, make sure everything is working properly. The outer line splits off here into 2 sections, goes around to the table, and then meets up again right back at the door in the background. The table is split up into 2 sections, which here is a permanent section, and if we come down here, we can see the seam right here in the middle, and this table does come apart. And the reason for this is because if you come here next to the hot water heater, you don't have any room to get past here or anything. So the table will just fold up and go right into the corner there, so we can go up and down the stairs to the outside. So I don't want to make anything too permanent because hopefully the plan to move one day, and I just want something to have in the basement just to enjoy the trains. Over here, the centerpieces that I have is a modern day switch track indicator, green and red. And over here I have the kerosene lantern back in the day before they used reflectors. And this guy still works and I think it's awesome. Over here, to keep my tracks clean, I'm using this Inox MX3, and I think it's terrific, keeps them clean better than isopropyl alcohol. There are 4 different brands of, or 4 different types of tracks on the train table. We have Lionel, Menards, K-Line, and 027 gauge. The 027 gauge here is the 027 switch tracks, which these were paper pleated, but I replaced them all with LED indicators inside, and I do have a tutorial for that on my channel. Also have here are the 1950 style 1122E, if I'm correct. So we have those styles there, here, and there. So for the time right now, I only have the outside track powered up, and to have our first celebratory run on this, we have the Santa Fe Warbonnet or Warbonnet train set here with the ABBA engines with the Railsounds from 1991, along with the passengers, which I think this is a absolutely gorgeous set. And I love the tops of these passenger cars because it's like a mirror-like reflection. So we're going to pull back here, and we're going to do our first run here with the train. It was a nice run for the first time on the table. So I still have a lot more wiring to do to find more dead spots and stuff, especially right now with the tracks right now just being together here and at the other side. Surprised that there were no dead spots or anything around the table. So either way, I'm going to run additional wiring to the back, so if there's any other dead spots, especially for the other two tracks, they will be taken care of. Also for the switch tracks, I mean, I didn't have them lit or anything, so this is just the first run for the table. So hopefully next time I'll get everything up and running. All three tracks will have power, all switch tracks will have constant voltage for them, so they'll all be lit up. And this was actually a very enjoyable first run, and I can't wait to get the rest of my trains out to show them all off to you. So everybody have a great day, and I'll see you next time.